Hi guys, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to recreate this Sara Khan makeup look. Sara Khan is a Pakistani actress, just in case you don't know, because I was not aware of her till one of my followers asked me to do her makeup tutorial for Eid, and I'm so glad that I could recreate that look. Oh my god, Sara Khan is so pretty. She's so damn beautiful. She has this flawless makeup base and her makeup look is really natural and it is very easy to do. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching this video. I'm gonna start by using this PAC Makeup Moisture Lotion and apply it all over my face. I will concentrate on my under eyes more because that's where we tend to get dry the most, and that will prevent from creasing my concealer. For my foundation, I will be taking this MAC Mineralise Foundation and apply it with a damp beauty blender all over my face and neck. Before applying foundation, you can even apply primer. I skipped using primer because I don't have much pores on my face. Take your time in blending the foundation. Concentrate on having a thin layer of foundation because that will give a more natural look on the face. Once I'm happy with my base, I'll go ahead and apply concealer. I have recently learned this trick that you have to take concealer all the way till your nose and you don't have to extend it till your cheekbones, because as it is you're going to blend your concealer, so that will also give a very thin layer of finish. Whatever is left of the sponge, I'm going to apply it around my mouth to hide the pigmentation there. Next, to set my concealer, I will be using this setting powder from Freedom. I have again recently learned this trick. So instead of mattifying all over my face with the powder, I just concentrate on the concealer area that is on my under eyes. Next, I will be taking this honey bronzer from the Body Shop and apply it all over my eyelid with a fluffy brush. If you guys know me, you guys know that I do it every time to nullify that white effect on my eyelids, because obviously when you apply concealer or foundation over your eyelids, your face looks cakey and it seems that you have done makeup. And the whole point of this look is to make others feel that we haven't done makeup. You know what I'm trying to say here? Now I will be taking my eyebrow pencil and I'll be shaping my eyebrows. If you will notice, Sara Khan has really nice, bold and thick eyebrows. So my aim would be creating that kind of eyebrows to get that complete look. After filling my eyebrows, I will be taking Maybelline Pomade Brow Gel and I will be setting my eyebrow hairs with it. Now I will be taking white Kajal from Lakme Eyeconic and apply it on my waterline. For those who belong to medium or dusky skin tone, I would advise you to take nude Kajal pencil, because white toned color will be like extremely popping on your eyes and it won't look natural. So it's better you take a more warm toned nude pencil and apply it on the waterline so that it looks more natural that way. Now I will be taking the Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara and apply it both on my upper as well as lower lashes. The game of this look, as I told you on my Instagram stories also, is completely based on eyes and eyelashes. If you will notice, Sara has really nice fluttery eyelashes. Once done with my eyelashes, I will be then taking this L'Oreal's bronzer and highlighter duo, and then slightly I will contour my cheeks with it. I will not do heavy contouring because I could not see Sara doing heavy contouring. I will also be slightly contouring my forehead, and whatever is left on the brush, I will be applying it on my jawline to make it look sharp. And then I will be taking that same fluffy brush which I used before on my eyelids, and I will take blush on that brush and then apply it and blend it on my eyes so that my look looks uniform. Next, I'll be taking this highlighter from Odbo and apply it on the high points of my face. For my lips, I'll be taking a rosy pink shade. This one is by MAC, it is called Mehr, and at the same time I'll be taking a cotton bud. The whole point of taking a cotton bud is to give a very smudged and a tinted lip look. If you will notice, Sara Khan always has a tinted and a smudged lip. And to have a smudged look, what I'll do is I'll just concentrate on the edges of my lips and blend my lipstick with a cotton bud, as you can see in the video. I just realized that I forgot to wear my lenses, so I'll quickly go off camera and put on my lenses. Now is the time to apply some falsies. The falsies that I'm taking is from Amazon. I'll mention the link in the description bar below. And this is a very pretty falsie because it has some gaps in between, and that's exactly what Sara Khan is wearing. She has some nice wispy eyelashes. And guys, this is the finished and the complete look. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like it, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, comment down your views, and if you have any other requests, then please do not hesitate and just bring that to me. I would love to recreate any look for you. So that was it for today, and before I sign off, I would want to wish you all a very, very, very happy Eid. And I love this festival, especially I have Muslim friends, so they invite me over for kebabs and biryani, and I love eating that. I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye!